We are going to practice Bhadrasana, bending the legs at the knee joint, soles of the feet together. Try to keep the knees as close to the ground as possible. Hold your ankles. Gradually bring the heels of the feet closer to the body until they touch the region of the perineum. In doing so, try to keep the legs and the knees on the ground. Sit erect and gaze in front. Hold this asana for at least 15 to 20 seconds. While returning, return in the reverse order. Release your ankles and straighten your legs. Come back to Dandasana and relax.